NanoBanana 2 just dropped and promises faster generation, cleaner text, and more production-ready results, which is exactly what you need when you're iterating under pressure. Sometimes you only get 5 seconds to raise ambition, and one strong visual can instantly upgrade how your idea feels. So let's build that visual. Inside Neon, I'm starting with a base image we can actually iterate on. So let's start with create an image of a Times Square billboard at night, including the neon robot with a bold readable headline and a clean ad layout, and let it generate. And of course, you can swap the neon robot for any character or brand element that fits your workflow. Great, that gives us a clean baseline. And the key is that we keep editing this image instead of starting over. Next, without changing anything else, let's translate the billboard headline to German and preserve typography, layout, and readability. This is where things usually break, but here the text stays clean, readable, and it still fits the layout like it was designed that way. Then we push a real brand variation and change the current brand colors to red and white, but keep the scene, the robot, the camera angle, and billboard composition identical. The main thing to notice is what does not change. The scene stays stable, the composition holds, and the color control is clean instead of turning into a random new image. I'm not totally happy with the design yet, so let's switch to gray and orange and use our logo as a reference to lock in stronger branding, while keeping the scene, the robot, the camera angle, and the billboard composition identical. The result stays consistent, but the look feels more on brand. And to make it feel even bigger, we don't stop at a still. We take that final billboard image and use VO3 to animate the billboard ad with subtle motion while keeping the design and text readable. Don't forget to mention VO3 in your make prompt so Neon knows which video model to use. Now you're not walking in the room with just a premium static mockup, you're walking in with a presentation ready motion asset. You can always find the exact prompts from the videos in our Discord. So the next time you only have 5 seconds to make it feel like a moonshot, you can copy this NanoBanana 2 workflow and ship stronger visuals fast.